Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and I am a fashion reseller on the Poshmark app. You can find me on Instagram at little.black.hanger. You can also find me on Poshmark at littleblackhanger without the vowels. Today I am redoing my office. I know we just moved in, I just did this, but I have gained so much more inventory in the past month and I'm starting to grow my business, so the inventory is just stacking up and I need somewhere to put it. So I am currently reorganizing my office. It is a disaster at the moment, but I thought, let me stop and just kind of film it and show you guys what I'm doing, how I'm growing to meet my needs, and you know, I'll just show you a little bit of behind the scenes stuff. So don't mind my appearance. I'm sweaty. I've been working on this for a little bit. And please don't mind the mess because, you know, we're cleaning it. We're cleaning it. Don't worry. We're getting there. So grab a cup of coffee and let's go behind the scenes, shall we? All right, so if you guys watch my videos or my vlogs, you guys know that this top portion right here, these two rows, was actually down here as like a bookshelf style this way instead of this way. So they're stackable. They're from IKEA, I believe. So I just flipped it over and stacked it on top there to give me another row of inventory. And then up top right here is going to be shipping supplies. Once I gain more inventory, I'm going to make all of this inventory and find another place for shipping supplies. But for now, this is what we're working with. So I'll show you how I have it broken down. I do plan on putting stuff in bags and doing like the number system, but for now it is still manageable for me the way I've been doing it. So this is just how I have it. This top row is all women's tops. This second row is shorts and capris, jeans, and then this is an empty one for more pants or jeans. When they come, these two are dresses. Then I've got my menswear cube because I don't have a ton of menswear. And then this whole bottom section is outerwear because fall is coming and I want to be prepared for that. So I'm going to put this on time lapse. I'm going to clean this up and you guys can watch my process. Look how dirty my desk is. Wow. You guys are really seeing my true self shine. You're welcome. I'm not perfect. I'm a messy human being. There you go, internet. So I thought I'd give you guys a little more detail about where I got some of this stuff and little tips that you can use when you're decorating your office or, you know, your home, whatever. So these little bins came from Dollar Tree. They're $1 a piece. They're pretty sturdy. you know, for $1. They work, they do the trick. They also come in tan if you don't like the gray and black, and they fit perfectly in these little cubes from IKEA. My little basket full of scissors and lint rollers and my measuring tape. I got this basket at a thrift store. That's one tip I will give you guys is wicker baskets. Always look for them at your local thrift store. You can always find some really cool ones, and they're great storage, and they also look great. So this looks a lot better as opposed to a regular basket that you would pick up at like Walmart or Target, and I think this was only like $1. So great little accent piece as well as functional. Then I've got my little Harry Potter ornament from Hallmark that my sister-in-law got me for Christmas. Up here are my favorite books. So I got this fashion book. It's actually 100 Years of Fashion Ads. I got it at the antique store, one of the antique stores we went to in Georgia. My sister got it for me. This stack of books is like literally my personality in 5 books. So of course I've got one of the Harry Potter books, Stephen King's It. Fun fact about me, I am a sucker for horror movies. I love horror movies. That's probably my favorite genre of movie. So I've got the It novel, then I've got a self-help book. This is You Are a Badass. Very good, very blunt, full of curse words. It's a great read. Then I've got this little Moodle book. I found this in Georgia. Me and my sister picked these up, and it's just a little doodle book for your different moods. So if you're happy, there's pages for that. It's kind of like Wreck This Journal or Wreck It Journal, something like that. But it's got it for every mood, like stress, anxiety, blah, blah, blah. So then I've got my little reseller mug. This was a DIY project. The mug is from Dollar Tree, and the little decal is from an eBay seller. I'll link her shop down below, but you get like 5 in a pack, I think, and this is the DUNN font, so that's nice. And you can customize them. You can tell her whatever words you want, and she'll send them to you. So then I've got my 2 little black hangers. I got these in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. They're just the little velvet hangers, and I thought they would be a cute little accent decor piece because I am little black hanger. I got this little @ symbol from Dollar Tree as well. Are you seeing a theme? I love Dollar Tree. Check Dollar Tree, get creative. This little Poshmark marquee sign I got from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It was on sale for like $8. It does light up, but I thought it was white light, and it's not. It's colored, and I don't like the color. So I just leave it unplugged, and it's just a cute little sign. But they always have these at like Ross, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, so check there. Right here I've got like a little mood board. I'm still working on it. I want to get like little clothespin, like those tiny little clothespins. Right now I just have this stuff taped on there. But this is actually like a wire basket that I cut and made into this. So that's a little DIY project. I've got my Harry Potter glasses from a Halloween store, I think. And then I DIY'd this as well. This is just a piece of driftwood that I found, bleached it, you know, to make sure it was free of bacterias. And then I just tied yarn on it and cut it in like a little triangle. Then on my desk, you guys saw me pick this up at the thrift store. I got a little candle in it. My mug I got from Target, computer, you know, whatever. This is another one of those DUNN decals. Got a little Harry Potter pop and my business cards. And then this is my notebook where I write everything down. This top I actually did myself. It's not perfect. Obviously there's a couple bubbles in it, but who cares? This is just contact paper from Dollar Tree actually, and the top of this desk was awful, so redid that. And then right here I've just got my printer and all the stuff that I use to like refresh items. Then I've got my boxes and extra padded envelopes. So yeah, and this is some stuff that needs to be photographed and listed. And then I've just got my little hook on the wall right here, and this is where I hang and take my pictures. So that's my office, and I'll be working on it, you know, here and there. but I think it looks pretty good. I like the new little setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little behind the scenes look. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up on your way out. Also be sure and hit that little subscribe button. I put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!